Hi children, welcome to maths class. See here. So here now we'll solve exercise 2.2. What is there in exercise 2.2? Write the given number in place value table. So given number is given and we have to write in the place value table. So this is place value table, 100 tens units. It's a place value table. See which number it is, 186. So always we'll start with the units place. See in units place which number it is, 6. So write down here 6 and in tens place it is 8. So 8 and in 100 place it is 1. So 186. Now it is next one it is 420. So in units place write 0 and in tens place write 2 and in hundreds place write 4. 420. Next 613. So units place it is 3 and in tens place it is 1 and in 100 place it is 6. Okay, so 613. Next it is 241. So units place it is 1, tens place 4 and in hundreds place 2. See children, it is all about 100 tens units. It's very easy children. Okay, understand the concept. All the full total topic is it is about place value table itself. Okay, it is very easy topic. Understand and do it yourself. Okay, 8, 6, then hundreds place it is 700. So 768. Okay, next here write the number given in the table. So what is the, so this F, G, H, I, J, this all these are homework children. Okay, next write the number given in the table. See here number is given in the form of place value chart. We have to write in the number form. See place value chart it is given and we have to write in number form. What is there? 320. So we have to write here 320. Next is it is 111. See 111. Okay, not 11, it is 11. Okay, next 500. 3 tens 4 ones, it is 534. Okay, next it is 400s, 5 tens and 5 units, 646. Okay children, the same thing F, G, H, I, J is a homework. And here what it is there, write the given number. See, write the number given in place value table in words. So place value table is given, we have to write in words. So first example it is 264. So 264. See, we have to write in the form of words. Now first one it is 428. So 4, write 428. See, TWENTY 20, EIGHT 8. So 428. Next one it is 657. So write down here 657. SEVEN 7. Put it first. Next one 546. So write down here 5, FIVE 5, 100, HUNDRED 100, 540, FORTY 40, 6, SIX 6. Okay, 546. Next it is 780. 7 spelling SEVEN 7. 700. Next 80. So EIGHTY 780. Okay children. So you all do it this 3. 5, 6, 7 is a homework. Next. Here see number, write the fourth Roman number. See what is there here, fourth number number. Write the number given in words in place value table. So here number name is given and we have to write in place value table. Okay. Here see first example is 821. See 821. And next one it is 407. See 407. See children, here it is number name is given. So we have to write from 100 place itself. When number is given here, we have to write from units place. Okay. See, it is 3 numbers, so we can judge it. Okay, 100 tens ones we can write from here. But if it is more than 100, then we can't judge it. So always numbers will write from a units place itself. Okay, next it is 188. See 188. Next one it is 535. Next 753. 753. 600. Okay, 600. 600. Next 6, 7, 8, 9 is a homework. Okay children, now we are going to start a new topic, that is jump and learn. See here Puttu, Mary and Janu play with their pet animals. See they are playing with their pet animals and birds during leisure time at home. Okay, they have the leisure time. During the leisure time at home, they play with their pet animals. These pet animals give instruction to them to jump in different ways. Wow, see, these pet animals will give instructions for them to jump. You also jump and learn with them. Okay, so you can also jump with them and you can learn. See here. See, dog is telling to jump one step at a time in a forward direction. See, it is 104. So dog is here. Okay, dog is in 104th step. See here, dog is asking to jump once. So next step is 105 and next step is 106, only one time. So next step 107, again jump 108. Okay, see, if I'll take example from 1 to 10, then it will be easy for you. See, let me take 4. Okay, 4. So one jump means 5. One jump means 6. Another one jump means 7. Next jump means only one jump. They are asking to jump only once. See here. That is in forward direction. Now, next what they are telling? See, jump one step at a time in a backward direction. See, they are asking to jump from the backward direction. So here is the last number. See, it is 185. Means here 185 is here. Backward direction means back number. See, back number. 185 back number is 184. 84 back number 185. 185 back number 185. No, it is 183. Okay, next back number is 186. Yes children? No, 182. Next 181. Next 180. Before 180 it is 179. See this way. To jump all these, you should be thorough in numbers, children. Okay. To jump according to 1 step, 2 step back, 3 step forward, you should be thorough in your numbers. Okay, children. Okay, bye bye.